मतलब शुरू से ही फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड तो आपने कहा मुझे कि आपने इंटर्नशिप बहुत जल्दी शुरू कर दिया था, तो उसके बाद एंड यू हैड एन इंटरेस्ट इन एक्टिंग, बट फिर क्या हुआ दैट यू हैड टू टेक द जर्नी फ्रॉम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, वाई नॉट डायरेक्टली टू एन एक्टर? यू हैव ऑल्सो योर ओन वे ऑफ डूइंग मेकअप, है ना? तो फिर ऐसा क्या स्टाइल है जो आपको स्टैंड आउट करता है? क्या आपने कभी किसी का भूतिया मेकअप किया है?
Bhutia, what it does mean.
सो हु वाज योर फर्स्ट कस्टमर?
Once I just went for a wedding, all people start screaming like पार्लर वाले भैया आ गए, पार्लर वाले भैया आ गए, पार्लर वाले भैया आ गए. Messages like काया पलट कर दिया, धोखा दे रहा है तू, ग्रूम के साथ खेल रहा है, बददुआ लगेगी. These kind of messages I get.
And one advice that you would like to give to people who are starting in their makeup journey or into modeling?
Because at this age people eat Maggie and watch Pogo, and I'm very very happy to seeing you here, and it's quite inspiring.
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
So welcome back to Unfolding Unseen, and today we're going to unfold the journey of a very artistic person, not just on paper but on faces of people. And I would like to meet Umang Rastogi ji, who has been a makeup artist now, and over to you.
Okay guys, so I'm Umang Rastogi and I'm a makeup artist and stylist, and based in Mumbai, and I'm enjoying this journey, and I'm very happy that I'm serving confidence to people, and yeah, thank you for I'm very thankful that you're having me.
Yes, I'm very thankful that I'm having such an artistic and inspiring person like you. And today we're going to unfold your journey and let's see how it goes.
I'm very excited.
So, मतलब शुरू से ही फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड तो आपने कहा मुझे कि आपने इंटर्नशिप बहुत जल्दी शुरू कर दिया था, तो उसके बाद एंड यू हैड एन इंटरेस्ट इन एक्टिंग, बट फिर क्या हुआ दैट यू हैड टू टेक द जर्नी फ्रॉम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, वाई नॉट डायरेक्टली टू एन एक्टर?
So because of my parents, I mean my father is big time support for me and my brother. So it's very, I mean it's little strange when being a makeup artist as a guy, and when I'm saying that my father has supported me. So I'll tell you the whole stories, like complete story. So I went to my parents and I said, like after my graduation, I think in 2019 I completed my graduation, and I went to my father that I really want to do something in cinema related to that, could be fashion, modeling or acting. So my father said like, I really appreciate, but the thing is you supporting us, you're doing everything, you are managing well, entire thing. So I mean for modeling or acting, I mean for this profession you need a full-time support. You need to be very dedicated for that job, even you if you're learning, if you're starting. So I got to know, then my father said that he believed in horoscope, so somewhere he related with that you know, I know that in your horoscope it's mentioned that if even if you'll go for a beauty or something, you will get a growth. So he suggested me to go for a makeup. So that click I got, because in my childhood I did makeup for my mom and all. So he suggested, my brother said, he was there, I mean he was here only in Mumbai, so he said there are a lot of makeup mans, so you can try for it. So that time I got a click that I can go into makeup and artistry. My father said once you will become a makeup artist, that you can build your own circle, you can make a friendship, or I mean circle, you know, where you can have a contact and you can tell people that you want to try into modeling or fashion, whatever turn you will get later, so you can launch that way. So that's the reason I joined makeup. Then I just Google it and I got to know my institute, makeup institute. So I moved to this Prayagraj to Delhi. For,
Okay, right. Okay. So why do still some people from India, or you know, many Indian states and cities, do they still feel like makeup is only for girls?
Yes, true. So even when I started, very initial period of time, I got to know, I mean, I got a lot of comments by my few of relatives and all that, not to me, but to my parents. They said, how you can support your child to go for a makeup and all, because it's a girl thing, ladies करती हैं, gents नहीं करते, for so-called like mentality. So my parents never thought of it. They always been support, big time support for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's nice to
Even I
see.
got to know like when I'm working with like people, friends लोगों ने भी एक दो लोगों ने बोला, but हाँ, if I'll see those ratio, एक दो लोगों ने बोला है तो 7 to 8 people ने मुझे support किया, तो I appreciate that way. So I will count my
That's nice.
blessing, and I am very grateful to have good people in my life.
You should always stay positive.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
this. That's nice.
Yeah.
And like your family is also supporting in you consistently. जो भी dedication था आपका. And right now you have your own brand also. You are makeovers that I checked
Yes.
out. So how is that going presently?
So it's going well. I'm working full time, and I do freelancing. I'm doing job as well. I'm working as a makeup trainer. I'll not call out the name, brand name, but yeah, I'm
Got it.
working full time with as a makeup trainer. Also, I'm working with my own page. Like I'm doing freelancing.
Right.
So I have been to a lot of shoots and fashion shows. So I'm enjoying that journey. At least I'm part of cinema.
Right.
Later on, like earlier, I was 102 kg. So I'm working on my like transition also, like on my self grooming. So let's see. I am more into fashion and modeling. I love to do. So I'm trying for it.
That's
Self-feature.
nice. So like since you have also your own way of doing makeup है ना, तो फिर ऐसा क्या स्टाइल है जो आपको स्टैंड आउट करता है पूरे क्राउड से? इतना ज़्यादा competitive फील्ड है मेकअप में. There are so many makeup artists out there. Why should people choose you?
So what I got to know, I'll not like do tarif khud ka, but what I got a feedback, like I'm good with my skills. How I treat people, that also matter when you,
Sure.
even if you're a makeup artist or even if you're for any profession you are working. So how you are, that also matters. And if I'll talk about my skills, so I try to enhance particular individuality, not to make them fake.
Right.
So I work on that. Like if you're my client, if you're my customer, I'll try to enhance your features. I'll not do like that kind of makeup where like people will not able to recognize you. So that
There
way
are a lot of makeup that I see कि बंदे को ही बदल देते हैं.
True. So that depends on client as well. Even if you want to look more fair or more different or editorial, like more dramatic. So of course I have to follow that. But at the same time, being a makeup artist, it's my job to educate people that you should be comfortable with your own skin. Whatever the color you have, it's pretty beautiful. It should be
Right.
just even. Complexion doesn't matter. So I always educate my customers as well if they
Okay.
demand something because after makeup, it's not about you're paying me. After makeup, I need appreciation from others also.
Right.
I want to post those pictures. I want a clap. Being an artist, a main thing is clap. When you get a clap or appreciation, that matters a lot. Not always money.
I can relate to that as I am also an artist, like not on face, but I love to do painting and everything. So whenever someone appreciates me, picture देखते हैं मेरी कि हाँ मैंने ये draw किया है, and they appreciate me. So that's really nice, and that's why some things are not just there to sell off or anything like you told.
Yes.
It's not about money always.
Yeah. When people appreciate, you feel that you are working right. You are doing good. And you should work more for it.
It motivates
Yeah,
you.
it motivates. And you feel happy.
Right. So who was your first customer when you did it?
So when I started makeup, like I was in college only. So I got one bride, one of my brother's friends. One of my brother friends' girlfriend.
Okay.
So she was getting married and I got booking for her and she was my first bride. And that time I was not ready for it, but I did it because it was like first opportunity. I was like, I'll not say no to her. So when I got to know she booked me, I started practicing a lot, like day, night, every time I was like doing makeup. So like by the time I was ready for bridal makeup.
Okay. So what was her reaction?
It was good. I got like good feedback. I didn't portray that I'm very new or I was not able to do it, but yeah, I did it well. I got good appreciation. Though now when I'm checking those pictures, I feel that no, lot of gaps, lot of things to be done, but still.
It's been a long journey.
Yeah.
When you practice and practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah, human perfect, I would say.
Wow, that's your version of man, and I love that.
I always tell everyone, practice makes a human perfect, not men, not women.
Right. That's true. क्या आपने कभी किसी का भूतिया मेकअप किया है?
Bhutiya, what it does mean?
भूतिया एज इन किसी को भूत बनाती है. Like Um,
So I think there are people, they don't wait, they don't have patience. So there are steps. If you do, like if I'm doing concealing, color correction, or just foundation building, so that time if they are looking themselves in the mirror, they feel like अरे ये क्या कर दिया, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, loud हो गया. And I was like, रुको, have patience, just process. I mean, just trust the process.
Right.
So like after they appreciate it, but हाँ, initial तो it feels
तो
like.
मतलब बीच में उनको लगता है ऐसे भूतिया
हाँ वो लाउड लगता है उनको, बट मेकअप इज लाइक आफ्टर 30 मिनट्स और 15 मिनट्स 20 मिनट्स सेटल, इट
Right.
मेल्ट विथ योर स्किन, सो इट डजंट लुक दैट हैवी. सो दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दे समटाइम दे शाउट, अरे बाप रे क्या कर दिया, आई एम लुकिंग सो हॉरिबल. आई मीन लाइक नहीं, यू नॉट गोना लुक हॉरिबल, डोंट ट्रस्ट.
ओके. एंड मतलब भूतिया किसी को बनाया लाइक विद वाइट
इनिशियल वाइल प्रैक्टिस.
white and that you use that.
So what I have learned ki wherever I am doing shoot or practice, I do some experiments. But when I'm working on real client, like you are paying me and you're going for occasion and you are a bride, you're going for a party, it's very serious job.
Right.
So I always take safe charge ki whatever process I'm going to use or whatever eyes or makeup according to your features, I'll take it safe way. So that way. But I did a lot of time mistakes, I cannot deny.
That's
Still,
true.
yeah.
What's something people often misunderstand about your profession?
पार्लर वाले भैया.
अब उसकी क्या कहानी है?
So like once I just went for a wedding, I mean for bride makeup, and I was there with my vanity and all people start screaming like parlor wale bhaiya aa gaye, parlor wale bhaiya aa gaye, parlor wale bhaiya aa gaye. I am not parlor wala. So there are people who don't understand what is the difference
Okay.
between parlor salon work and makeup artist. They think that all is same. I mean
Right.
like makeup artist is also can do pre-work. So pre is like where I mean hairdo and all whatever skin related things. I mean parlor salon wala work. I do not feel that bad about it because it's okay. They're also working. They are human, that is profession. But I do try to educate them, and sometimes
Right.
it doesn't work, and I ignore. That's it. You can't help it.
Sometimes people just get confused also.
Yeah, confused also. So I tell that there's a separate job. Like makeup artist is different, parlor wale is different, but sometimes they don't understand, and that's fine.
That's kind of funny also if you see
Yeah,
it
it
from
is
another
funny.
perspective.
मुझे तो बहुत हंसी आती है. मेरे मम्मी पापा भी कभी कभी मुझे चिढ़ा देते हैं पार्लर वाले भैया, और देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज. सो आई ऑलवेज शेयर विद देम कि मम्मी आज मुझे पार्लर वाले भैया बोला, किसी ने मुझसे बोला वैक्सिंग कर दोगी क्या, किसी का आईब्रो बना दोगी क्या. तो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम लाइक नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता, आई एम सो सॉरी.
So now let's start with rapid fire. Here are some quick questions.
आई एम स्केयर्ड.
Just say what comes to your mind.
ओके.
Matte or dewy?
डूई.
Bold looks or natural glam?
नेचुरल.
One product you can't live without.
Charlotte Tilbury compact.
Early morning shoots or late night events?
I'm okay with both.
You gotta choose one.
Morning.
Okay. Now I've got a crazy question for you. How is your friend circle reaction when you used to post photos about your clients or anything?
Oh God, it's like I have opened website for Shaadi.com. They always approach ki, wow, models looking so pretty. किसका makeup है, setting करवा दे. So these kind of DMs I got, and I'm getting it all the time whenever I'm posting any pictures of my female friends or models. They like, wow, कितनी pretty लग रही है, अच्छी लग रही है. और sometimes very weird messages like काया पलट कर दिया, धोखा दे रहा है तू, groom के साथ खेल रहा है, बद्दुआ लगेगी. These kind of messages I get, and it is funny.
Right.
So I laugh and sometimes I ignore.
Right. And आजकल तो मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो गया है. Makeup is enhancing someone's features and everything. So even for boys, and my father and brother, they're like, they just wash their face, apply water in their hair and comb and leave for wherever are we going. And even my friends, most of them are like that. So what would be some steps that you would like to give of advice to the audience also?
So I think like your father and brother, I also have the same. So I do not have any advice for them. I'm sure they're not going to follow anything. But for those who want to do some makeup or styling, because it's 2026 and makeup is part of grooming. So there are people who love to do, and even if you're working, like you're doing job or anything, people like to wear. So basic thing you can wear is compact. You can go according to your skin type. If you feel that you have a lot of concern on your, on your skin, you can go for concealing and all. Concealer, just one product, something natural.
Right.
And for eyes, of course, boys doesn't need anything for eyes. They can just use a lip balm and they're sorted. Like one product for their skin. So now you have asked a lot of question to me. I wanted to ask some question to you.
Sure.
So, I mean, how you got to know that you want to do this podcast or something?
So 2 years ago, like, I have a very kind of a nature that you want to know people, connect करना है, दूसरे people की journey सुननी है, because it's so inspiring. फिर वो आपको खुद motivate करता है कुछ अच्छा करने को. You want to do something more bigger. And that time I used to watch a lot of podcasts also of Raj Shamani and a lot of podcasts. So I was like, yeah, this is a nice way to connect with people, ask their journey, and you can also आपको वो खुद भी moral मिलेगा and आप दूसरों को भी moral दे रहे हो.
Wow. Because at this age, people eat Maggie and watch Pogo, and I'm very, very happy to seeing you here, and it's quite inspiring. For me,
Thank
it's
you.
very inspiring.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me and seeing me.
Thank you so much. Your journey is also itself quite inspiring.
I'm very grateful.
From where you've come and everything, how your parents have supported you and everything. So let's do a bit of more questions then.
Yeah, sure.
What is your dream? Like, किसके साथ dream collab करना है?
I want to do with Priyanka Chopra, and I mean, she's one of, like, to be very honest, I really like such people who have done a lot of things. I mean, like, their journey is so inspiring.
Right.
Priyanka Chopra, I want to do, I mean, for makeup in certain way, I want to collab with if I got chance, and I will, I'm sure, I'm very positive
Yes.
that way. So yeah, I want to work with Rekha ji.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, Rekha ji or Priyanka Chopra. I want to work with everyone. I want to be like that kind of person that I can say, like, yeah, I have worked with everyone, with every director, every producer. I want to work every day. I don't want rest in my life.
Wishing you all the best in
Thank
your
you.
journey. And one advice that you would like to give to people who are starting in their makeup journey or into modeling?
So for makeup or modeling, I will say, even for any other journey or any other startup or job or any profession, I would say be consistent, be in discipline, and do not listen people. Listen your heart and mind only, and keep your eyes open. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
So what does makeup mean to you?
Makeup is kind of confidence, what I serve to everyone. And because we all have different stories, and grown up in India or even other countries, I have seen that even with my friends, there are a lot of people who got bullied because of their complexion, height, weight, or maybe they are skinny, or maybe they are not speaking well. Like, I got bullied for my voice. Not that much. मुझे ऐसा नहीं, I mean, I didn't got bullied. But हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि तेरी voice बहुत पतली है, ये है. So these are the stories which is very common. I'm sure you also have some
Right.
experience with your friends or maybe cousins. So when I serve makeup to someone, it brings positivity, it brings confidence. It's not only about product or quantity what we are applying. But if I'm giving someone, like someone have bad dark circles or intensity or maybe discoloration, if I'm giving them flawless base, they will they will feel so good. They will feel more confident. So makeup is all about to serve confidence, I believe. Makeup is, and it is one of underrated job, I would say, that people do not appreciate that way. I mean, they will book, they will feel that it's not that great. I mean, we are not getting that lovely or great response.
Right.
I feel that it is one of underrated job, but it is very stressful because makeup artist is not only going to give makeup. Being a makeup artist, I get headache. I get stressed. If someone is my bride, I have like a lot of responsibility because it's her special day.
Right.
So that pressure is not easy. That body pain is not easy. But people doesn't understand that. So I just want to share that way also, yeah.
Thank you so much, Umang. It was lovely having you guest at Unfolding Unseen, and hope that you will come back as a guest soon again here at our
Sure,
podcast.
I'll love to. And thank you for seeing me. And guys, look at her. She's so inspirational. And she's just 15. So you are such inspiring person
thank
for
you.
me as well, and thank you for having me. And guys, please don't forget to watch this episode and many, many more.
Yes.
Unfold Unseen.
Thank you. Bye.
Proper clapping.
Clapping. Clapping.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Best
you.
wishes.
अरे सोचने दो यार, राइटर को एकदम से नहीं आता है. नेचुरली मैं ही लाउड बोल रहे हैं, और कितना लाउड बोलूँ मैं? या हाय, आई एम यशिका.
Hi, I'm Umang Rastogi. I'm Jian, by the way, in terms of singing. So,
So that was what I was saying, and the tagline of my podcast is where we unfold हर कहानी का unseen हिस्सा.
wow.
Because every story has a different perspective and everything. That's why. I have water.
I need little water. Cute.